Alrighty, today we are going to deal with shower head. This is the shower head that came in the Hitch, and it doesn't spray that well, and to stop it you have to do this, which is kind of awkward with your thumb while you're trying to get the shampoo out of your hair. So we're going to upgrade. Stand by. Okay. So we're going to go from this shower head to this shower head by Oxygenics. It's a quick and easy install. Check it out. So the first step, remove the old shower head. The next step is the new on and off. It's a button rather than that hand thumb lever. And that just goes into where the old shower head was. And then into that, the new shower head. And this is, I'm just doing this stuff hand tight. You need to make it extremely tight. Hand tight, put it in place. So here's the new shower head. As you can see now, to turn it on and off. And supposedly the stream of water from this shower head is far superior to what we were having. I'll let you know.